Okay, so I want us to quickly go through today's trade that we got on gold. Let's get straight into it. So as you can see here, we have been trading in an uptrend. We have been breaking highs, respecting the lows for quite some time. And then now we started getting this retracement lower. And I noticed that we have this 1 hour, this one, no, that was this one. We reacted off of that point of interest there. So as you can see here, while we were pulling back, we were also breaking lows, respecting the highs. Basic market structure shift showing that we are going in a downtrend. And then we had this last break of structure here. And then if we're gonna continue lower, obviously you'd wanna see us respect this high. But we took that out. So that's a clear indication that we're going to be changing direction. So we wanna start seeing higher prices. So what I did then was just take the fib. We have our most recent low here before we broke structure to the upside. This is the last high that it created before pulling back down into the discount. And we also have liquidity here. That was another one of my confluences. And also for it to be A plus setup, high probability setup, we want to see a fair value gap aligning with the fib, right? So we have this fair value gap right here, aligning with the fib. Very simple model. And then I took my entry right there, targeting those highs. That was a pretty simple trade. That was all there was to it. And then when it comes to, I was also looking at Bitcoin, but we haven't tapped into this point of interest yet. I want to see if we still want to respect this. We have liquidity here that we generated. We took that. And then we have the supply area here. I want to see if we're going to get a reaction off of that. And then this is the low I'll be looking to see get taken out. That's our sell side. This is our sell side liquidity. I want to see price tap into this and then move lower, coming for these lows here. So we'll see how this plays out. And then with USDT and Nasdaq, I didn't get any setups. As you can see, we just continue trading higher. It didn't pull back into discount. So here I didn't really get any setups. Same as this one, Nasdaq. And then German DT hasn't moved. So yeah, this is the only one I was focusing on. And also with the currency pairs, because we swing trade on them, we don't really get setups. Like every week, there's some weeks that are just gonna, chop around or just expand, as you can see here. There was no really there was not much setups here, so I didn't really look at any currency pairs this week. So for now, these are the pairs that I'm just gonna be focusing on, especially gold, USDT, and Nasdaq. Those are the ones I look at. So that's gonna be it for this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.